Hi, welcome to a new video. This time I am going to solve a question by a long method, and at the last I will give you a formula which can be directly applied for such type of question, that is written over here. The question from the topic permutation and combination, which is important for the class 11th and 12th. So first we will see the question and then solve by a long method. So let's get start. Let's start solving the question. So let total number of people in the party n. So by the combination method NC2, because we know for one handshake we required at least 2 people. So NC2 must equal to 45, because we have given that there are total 45 handshakes. So solving this, NC2 mean n factorial, n minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial is equal to 45. So n factorial can be expanded as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, and in dividend we have n minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So this get cancelled, and on upper side n square minus n upon 2 factorial is equal to 45. So this leads to be an quadratic equation, which is n square minus n is equal to 90. So n square minus n minus 90 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we solve the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 90 is equal to 0. Then taking n common, and here 9 as a common, is equal to 0. So n plus 9 and n minus 10, n is equal to minus 9 and n is equal to 10. So this cannot be a factor, because number of people cannot be in negative. So this is our correct answer. So we got our answer, that is 10. Means there we require 10 members for 45 handshakes. So this is answer by a long method, and you can see here we got our answer as a 10 by a long method. So we can observe here that n into n minus 1 upon 2 is, by observing this we can say that n into n minus 1 upon 2 is our short formula for these type of questions, and we can apply directly this formula for solving handshake problem or such type of problems. So we can also cross check this formula. So by putting n is equal to 10, we solve 10 into 9 upon 2, that will give us 45 only. So this is the short formula for such question. So now we have the simplest formula, and we can find more by just simply putting the value of n into our short formula, and this will give us total number of handshakes. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.